Guys, Brian back with another Kaspa video. I wanted to get this video out here because it's looking like this thing maybe wants to take off here. I thought maybe we had a correction coming up, but it's done a little pullback and it looks like it wants to bounce here. So I wanted to get this video out here before anything happens. We're going to dig a little bit deeper in this chart here in a second. Here's the crypto bubbles for the day, and then the link in a description in the video description is what I meant to say. There's a link for Kaspa hats and t-shirts and Bitcoin shirts, whatever you want to check out. I ordered a hat and a t-shirt yesterday. I signed up as an affiliate through them, so I get there's no difference in the prices. The prices are exactly the same as an affiliate to just going over there and buying off them, but obviously it helps the channel out, so I would very much appreciate it if you used the affiliate link, guys. But they got some really nice stuff. I ordered a hat and a t-shirt yesterday. T-shirts are like 20 bucks. They have like 106 different Kaspa things you can order. You can order slide on shoes, you can order socks, you name it, man. They got everything, hoodies, some pretty nice stuff. So if you want to go check it out, there's a link in the description of the video. So let's move on here. Right, there's the bubbles. Let's look at these charts real quick. Want to get this out before any kind of price movement happens. Bitcoin dominance still going sideways in here. Okay, things just consolidating sideways right around 50%, and nothing really moving here. Got that daily on the floor. That's where I'm thinking a Bitcoin move is happening. Okay, and then when the dominance, when you got the daily on the floor like that, the 12-hour, look how low it is down there. Wow, it's down to a 30. I think Bitcoin's getting ready to make a pretty decent move here. Okay, look how low we are down here, 32. The 4-hour, yeah. I mean, this thing, you know, your 4 hours been up there for how many days now? Since the 15th. All right, but what's a weekly? The weekly's actually coming down, starting to curve back up though, right there. So I believe Bitcoin is getting ready to make another big jump here. Okay, it's moving now. It was down about 500 bucks today. Now it's only down $242. We got that daily RSI on the floor. You can see it right there. It's down at the bottom, you know, right down here at the bottom. All zeros. The 12-hour, same thing. Barely bullish, 0.46 and 0.15. The 8, look at this on the floor. This thing's ready to make a pounce here. I'm telling you. You know, like I always say, time is the hardest thing to judge. But when all these RSIs are on the floor, you know something is brewing out there. I have an alarm set right here for when that thing breaks up above there. But 31,550, guys. We poked our head up above it right there when XRP had the settlement. But keep your eyes on this thing. I believe anytime Bitcoin's going to make that jump here. All right, and when it does, if we zoom out on this thing, look at this big gap here in price. That, you know, this thing could go up to 36 in a hurry. You have a major gap, right? You know, let me mark it out here real quick. Yeah, real quick. There we go. Right between here. Okay. Right there. You got a major gap right up to the next resistance at 36.4, something like that. So it breaks that 31,550. That thing could shoot up there super fast. Okay. Let's go over here to the DXY. That thing is getting a little bounce. Very little, but it is. Let's zoom in on it here. Yeah, you can see them little white dots. Geez, I don't like using that dang thing, but if I could ask you, please hit the like and subscribe, guys. I'd appreciate it. And if you want to become a member of the video, not the video, of the channel, there's a link in the description of the video. It's $2.99 a month. I appreciate it. Quite honestly, barely making it like nothing off YouTube, you know. I'd have to get literally 100,000 views a video to make it even worth it. It's pretty disappointed with that, but I'm sticking in there because it's something I started. You know, obviously it's really, I'll be honest, 100% honest with you. It's not really worth my time as far as the YouTube payment goes, but I'm doing it for the enjoyment of it now. I think, yeah, you know, I'm honest with you guys. You know, I made $9 this week off YouTube, so that's my revenue, $8.98. So there you go. It's not, you know, so I'm doing it for the enjoyment of it. That's it. Here's the DXY on the weekly, the RSI, and I do enjoy it. I enjoy talking to you guys. I've made some good friends for this YouTube channel, so whatever. You know, money's money, whatever. The daily's on the floor, so this thing is looking to make a bounce up here. All right, the 12 hours coming up. Yeah, you can see this thing's probably, it's either going to make a bounce up to, let's see here, where'd it go, right here. It's either going to make a bounce up to here and get rejected, or it's going to come back up here and get rejected, I would imagine, and roll over from there. So we'll keep an eye on it, see where it goes. Let's see here, we got the DXY, Kaspa, total 1 and total 2. Let's get a real quick look at those two, because they might be setting up for a move too. If Bitcoin's setting up, if everything is lining up, let's look at the daily. Where's it at? 22 and 20. It's actually bearish right now, but you can see the trend line right through here. Okay, we're going to put that on there and keep track of this thing. Right about there. Okay, so you can see it came down to the trend line right there, and it has bounced. Okay, so that's good to see. The 12 hour pretty much on the floor. The 8 hour, the same thing. There we go. You know, everything might be lining up. We have a green 8 hour candle started. That was the total market cap. Here's the total market cap without Bitcoin. All right, we got the 8 on the floor. Same thing here, starting a green candle on the 8 hour, the 12 hour, just about on the floor, and the daily. That's about in the middle there. It's actually bearish right now there, but there's the 4 hours on the floor. Okay, you can see, whoops, let's move that back. Let's just get rid of that for now. I can put that back later, but you can see a resistance line right through here. Alright, if it breaks that resistance line, it looks like it's probably gonna, things are gonna start going here. Okay, see that resistance line right there? See how we're popping up there right against it right now? Actually it could probably be a little tighter, you know, somewhere. There we go. That's where you want it. That's perfect, just about right out there. Yeah, so if that pops, if that breaks that resistance at and it looks like it's gonna, this thing's gonna start shooting up. So looks like we're gonna get a move possibly on this market today. Looks like the altcoins might start moving. Let's look at Kaspa here. Look at this thing. Here we go. You know, that's why I wanted to get this video out. I was expecting to pull back to that 618, but you can see the 4 hours heading up. All right, the 8 hour. It's starting to curve up on the RSI, starting to get a curve up here. The 12 hour is bullish. Down here you got the curve up. It's not quite on the stochastic RSI yet, but that daily's right at the top. It looks like this thing wants to make that 5th wave up here, and I'm going to show you right here because it looks like it wants to finish this move before it has a correction. Alright, and it's probably going to put us right up in that resistance area. Okay, don't want to see a double top here. I really don't. We could get up here, get rejected for a short time, but it looks like it might want to finish this 5th wave up. Will it reach the whole way up there? I don't know. You know, nobody knows that for sure. Okay, it looks like it's going to. I heard some people out there talking some rumors about Binance. All right, I have found very little on that. I seen a couple YouTube videos put up about it. You know, I'm not. Who knows? You know, but to go out and actually say that Binance is listing Kaspa. You know, that's a pretty bold statement there. I don't see any evidence of that, but always a possibility. All right, that's for sure. And a lot of people talking that, you know, excuse me if you hear me, I have allergies, guys. They're destroying me today. I take my allergy medicine every day, and it's just horrible. I think we're gonna have to go start getting shots again. But anyway, you know, Kaspa is far from you know, a micro cap. Also, we are in the top 100 if you Kaspa coin market cap. You know, I heard people out there mentioning that you know, we're a micro cap and stuff like that. You know, I'm not bashing anybody at all. You know, it's a lot of people maybe aren't as into this as we are. You know, but when you look at the market cap, I apologize, you can't see it. 640 million, 641 million now. It's up 2%. 641 million. Okay, and if we go to the crypto rankings, it's the top 100. Flip that back upside down. Oh, hold on, I don't want no cookies. 640 million, okay? That would put us, we're above all these. 300 million, 400 million. Let's see here, 4, 5. We would be, holy cow, okay, 600 million. We would be number 60, 65 or 66. Okay, eCash is 602 million and NEO is 633 million. So we'd be number 65 on CoinMarketCap if they would list us. I don't know why. Bigger than Gala, bigger than KuCoin, bigger than Pepe, bigger than Kava, bigger than Chili's. We're bigger than any of these other companies. Okay, about number 65 on CoinMarketCap. You know, I don't know why they don't put us on there. You know, if we go back and look at Kaspa, it says like ranked. Search it here real quick. KASPA. Hold on 1 second. There we go. It says we're like number 210 or something. I don't know. But if they would, yeah, number 212. Okay, with a $640 million market cap. That's not correct. I don't know why why CoinMarketCap does it like this, but we're actually number 65. Okay, in the top 100. Now the crypto bubbles, they put us on there in the top 100. Where are we at here? Kaspa, where are we at? Right there, plus 1.8. So at least the crypto bubbles recognize us in the top 100. Top 100 right up here. So, all right, guys, please hit the like and subscribe. Go check out that clothing. You know, one T-shirt would pay my whole YouTube my whole YouTube earnings for the month. So, all right, thank you so much, guys. I'll talk to you soon, and keep an eye on Kaspa. Keep an eye on Bitcoin there. Looks like we might have a move coming. And actually, after this move happens, all right, I'm expecting a pullback, a 618 pullback. So if we do shoot up to there, all right, let's check this out real quick. I was, you know, a fib. I was checking this out earlier. If we were stalling out right now, you know, I was expecting a pullback. Hold on, there we go. I was expecting a pullback to this area right here, 0.0279. That's the 618. But it looks like it wants to run now. So if it does, okay, hold on 1 second. Let me get this up here. You know, if it runs the whole way up to this line, all right, and then we get a pullback after that, okay, that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves. We would have an ABC back down to about where we are now, the 0.032. All right, that would be the 618. That's where I would expect the ABC to pull back to, and then 5 waves up from there. So we'll see how it plays out. All right, guys, thank you. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll talk to you soon.